Hi friends. Okay, so today we're going to be practicing 2-digit times 2-digit standard algorithm. And if you remember, we practiced standard algorithm with a multi-digit times a single digit. And standard algorithm, in short sense, just means the same old way that Miss Piazza, Miss Atwood learned, and maybe some of your parents learned, okay? It's the old-fashioned way. And what it is it's combining a bunch of methods that you've already learned. It's combining a bunch of skills you already have, such as multiplying basic facts, such as regrouping, such as adding your basic facts, okay, guys? Such as place value. So, we're going to use standard algorithm today, and a lot of you found standard algorithm to be extremely helpful when we did the 3-digit times the 1-digit. So, what we are going to do is I want you to think many zoos, many animals. Okay, it's just a little saying that's going to help you memorize the steps. So first we multiply. If you look at step 1 over here, the M in many, D means multiply. We're going to multiply the number in the ones by the top two numbers. So if you see over here, I created my multiplication sentences. So I have 3 times 5 equals 15. But here's where the regrouping comes. I put my 5 down here, and I carry my 1 from the 15 up here. You can see it in the blue. So then when I do 3 times 6, I get 18, but I have to remember this blue 1. Plus 1 equals 19. I have nothing else to multiply, so I can just bring my 19 down. So I know 3 times 65 is 195. Now I move on, and I have a Z, which means 0. I need to use the 0 as a placeholder, okay? So if we remember, I'm now going into my 20. That means 20. So instead of multiplying everything by 20, I'm just going to take this 0 and use it as a placeholder. So I put a 0 down here. So now when I answer my multiplication sentences, I start over here. Okay, guys? Just one of the rules we have to follow in standard algorithm. So now I move on to my next step, which is multiplication again, my next M, my many. So now I'm multiplying my number, my tens in the bottom number by the top two numbers, okay? So I have 2 times 5 equals 10. So I put my 0 down here, and I carry my 1, now you see my purple one, up here. Then I do 2 times 6, 2 times 6 equals 12, plus 1 equals 13. I have nothing else to multiply, so I can just bring my 13 down. Now my A in animal stands for addition. I need to add my partial products. So now I have 5 plus 0 equals 5, 9 plus 0 equals 9, 1 plus 3 equals 4, and 1,000 I can just bring down because there's no value to add to it. So 65 times 23 equals 1,495. Okay, guys, so the many zoos, many animals is just a little cue for you in your head to say, okay, M, multiplication, and many. Zoos, Z, 0. M, many, multiplication. A, animals, addition. Okay? Just a little something to help you remember those 4 steps.